So it turns out I might have to wait 6 weeks for this MRI scan. So I thought I might as well drive around North Wales for a bit. I'm gonna head to Llandudno today. And the weather's just right for it. Ooh. Hello, Wales. And there's people kiting. It is very upsetting that I can't get out there. I've driven around nearly the whole of Europe, and I tell you what, this place has some of the most beautiful spots there is. What's up guys, how's it going? So I stayed up here last night on top of the Orme, met some cool guys actually flying model planes, which is something I used to do, and one of them let me have a go of his, which was just brought back a bit of an itch actually, but can't be spending money on that sort of thing at the moment. But the weather is nice, the scenery up here is just lovely, and it got me thinking actually. I think I'm gonna do a daily vlog around North Wales. I'm just gonna go for it. Usually my videos are quite spaced out, and I'm already behind on them, which is what I wanted this time to catch up on. But hey, you know, I mean, obviously I'm from North Wales, so I know a lot of the good places, but if anyone has any places that they can recommend for me to go and spec out, then fine, let me know. So, first task for today, go and get some signal somewhere and call a hospital and see if I can get a cancellation for this scan. Let's go. Hi, is it possible to speak to Sarah, please?
Yeah, speaking.
Hi, it's Alex. I had a voicemail off you this morning.
Alex Schoen, isn't it?
That's it, yeah?
I've made a follow-up appointment for you. The consultant had a look at the x-rays again this morning and stuff, and they just see there's it's like a muscular injury.
Okay.
So I've just made an appointment for you on the 21st of May.
Thanks very much.
All right.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
So at least I don't have to ask for a cancellation now. It seems they put me forward. So a week on Monday, back to Manchester. So we'll see how much of North Wales will get done in that time. I think we do quite a lot. It's not that big, is it? Two, please. Right, so we're just coming into a town called I think that's it, something like that. But it's the longest Welsh word, longest name, longest place in the world. Look, here's the train station. Long, isn't it? Dead long. Oh, it's in English as well. The Church of Mary in the hollow of the White Hazel near the fierce whirlpool, and the Church of Tessilio by the Red Cave. I think someone was taking the mic somewhere along the line here. We're going to head to Newborough because it's one of my favourite places in North Wales, and then we can make our way around the whole of Anglesey. So I'm just looking for somewhere nice to park up for the rest of the day and the night, because down at Newborough Beach it's £5 to get in there to park, and it says no overnight staying as well, which I don't know how strict they are with that. I might go back later and have a look if I don't find somewhere nice. But I've had a quick look on Google Maps and it looks like there's a couple of places, a couple of good candidates down here. So welcoming. So again, it says no overnight parking here, but I don't think they're going to be too strict on that. We're going to have a look at the other one just to see. Yeah, same deal here, obviously. Nice, though. Yeah, it is a pint glass, yeah. Half pint glass. Don't break in vans, you see. Alright guys, so yeah, the second car park is quite nice actually. I've got a nice little bit of, got a bit of a tree outside the window here. And some sandy grass. And tomorrow, or maybe tonight, I'll send the drone up, have a little look around and go for a nice walk down the beach to the lighthouse with the pond. Right, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you're all good and we'll see you all tomorrow.